Alright, y'all. In the middle of fudge nowhere, ready to pick up another machine. Gonna get this machine a location soon and have some more money coming in with that passive income remedy, you know. Middle of nowhere. Look at that, man. What's up, though? So I gotta tie down this baby right here. I just tied it down, but I gotta get it real good so that I get a safe trip, you know what I mean? Middle of the bridge of nowhere, y'all. But let's get it. Let's get it. Alright, y'all. Right there, y'all. Got a rope holding it down. That's it. No straps. I got straps at home. Forgot to bring them. The best part about this machine, man, is the fact that I only spent 50 bucks. You know, they wanted more, but I spent 50 bucks because I was like, oh, this and that, you know, on the machine. Lady was kind enough. She just needed space in her storage unit and said, hey, you can have it for 50 bucks. And that's, man, that's, you know, I spend more on candy, yo. But yeah, alright, y'all. Can't wait to get it in the location.